Hi. When you open an application for the first time, it will ask you for granting permission. Sometime, granting permission will fail and show you this message: screen overlay detected. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to fix it. Tap on Open Settings. This will take you directly into the apps that can appear on top or the apps that can draw over screen. I will show you how to get here if you get lost. Go to Settings, search for Application Manager. At the top right corner, tap on the three dots and select Apps that can appear on top. Here we are again. I already know which application that caused screen overlay detected. It's Movizen. And it's quite easy to identify it, as there is a floating button for this app on the screen. So you can prevent this app from drawing over screen. Now go back to the Application Manager and find the app that requires your permission. Force stop it. Then go to Storage. Clear the cache. Go back to the home screen and open that application again. Now you can grant permission without getting screen overlay detected. So this is an easy case to solve because there is a floating button already shown on the screen. And you should directly understand that this may be the cause of the screen overlay detected. Once you grant permission for that app, go back to the Application Manager and show the apps that can appear on top. Turn on that feature for Movizen, since Movizen will not work without it. Now let's go to the second scenario. As you can see, another screen overlay detected. But this time, there is nothing on the screen. Fortunately, I already know it's ES File Explorer that caused screen overlay. And that's because there is a hidden floating button for that app at the bottom left corner. So, open ES File Explorer. Tap on Menu button. ES Swipe feature, it's the cause for drawing over screen. It's on, so disable it. Now go to the settings and open Application Manager. Search for the app that requires your permission. Force stop it. Go to Storage and clear the cache. Go back to the home screen and open that application again. From this scenario, you should know which app running and has hidden menu to show by swiping. Now let's go to the third scenario. Again, screen overlay detected. And this time, it's not because there is hidden or shown menus on the screen. I showed you the first and second scenario. Now, Twilight app is the cause. Just pause it to remove the drawing over screen. Go to Settings, Application Manager, search for the app that requires your permission, or stop it. And from Storage, clear cache. Go back to the home screen and run that app again. I hope you understand how to fix screen overlay detected. I showed you 3 major cases that may cause screen overlay detected. Some apps showing floating buttons. Some have hidden menus shown by swiping. Some change the color and brightness of the screen. That's all for this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow and helpful. Thanks for watching.